Upgrade your workshop with reliable lifting power designed for safety, durability, and smooth performance for everyday vehicle maintenance tasks. Best Garage Jack delivers stable lifting support for cars, trucks, and SUVs in home garages, professional repair setups every single time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Jack Boss Garage Jack. The Jack Boss Garage Jack is a reliable and versatile lifting solution designed for drivers and home mechanics who need dependable performance. Featuring a 3-ton lifting capacity, it can safely raise vehicles weighing up to 6,600 pounds, making it suitable for most sedans, SUVs, MPVs, travel trailers, and station wagons. Its low-profile design is particularly useful for vehicles with limited ground clearance, allowing easy access underneath without requiring additional ramps. The lifting range from 3 15/16 inches to 18 5/16 inches provides flexibility for a variety of maintenance and repair tasks. A dual-piston hydraulic system helps deliver fast lifting action, reducing the number of pumps required to reach the desired height. A large rubber saddle offers extra protection by preventing damage to lifting points on the vehicle. Constructed with aluminum billet and welded steel frame, the Jack combines durability with manageable weight for easier handling. Smooth steel casters and swivel front wheels improve maneuverability around the garage. Overall, this floor jack offers a strong combination of performance, durability, and convenience for routine automotive work. Number 2. Maxority 6,600 pounds Garage Jack. The Maxority 6,600 pounds Garage Jack is designed to provide efficient lifting power while maintaining excellent accessibility for low-clearance vehicles. With its extended reach and ultra-low profile construction, it is particularly useful for sports cars, modified vehicles, and other automobiles that sit close to the ground. The design allows the jack to slide into areas where standard floor jacks may struggle to fit, making maintenance tasks more convenient. One of its most notable features is rapid pump technology, which enables the hydraulic system to lift vehicles quickly with fewer handle strokes. This saves both time and effort during tire changes, brake service, and general repairs. Built from high-strength steel, the jack offers excellent structural integrity and durability, ensuring dependable performance through repeated use. Its sturdy construction helps maintain stability while supporting heavy loads, providing confidence during operation. Whether used in a professional workshop or home garage, this floor jack offers reliable lifting performance and long-lasting durability. For vehicle owners seeking a strong, low-profile jack with fast lifting capability, the Maxority model is a practical and dependable choice. Number 3. Powerbuilt Vehicle Garage Jack. The Powerbuilt Vehicle Garage Jack stands out by combining the functionality of a bottle jack and a jack stand into a single compact unit. This innovative design eliminates the need for separate lifting and supporting equipment, making vehicle maintenance both faster and more convenient. With a 3,000-pound capacity and a lift range from 11 to 21 inches, it is especially well suited for trucks, SUVs, vans, and Jeeps that require higher lifting positions than standard passenger vehicles. A built-in ratcheting safety bar automatically locks the vehicle in the raised position, adding an extra layer of security while working underneath. The wide base improves stability and reduces the risk of sinking on softer surfaces such as gravel, dirt, or campground terrain. This makes it particularly useful for RV owners and off-road enthusiasts who often work in less than ideal conditions. Its compact footprint also makes storage easier compared to carrying separate lifting tools. Overall, the Powerbuilt Garage Jack offers convenience, stability, and enhanced safety for users who need a versatile lifting solution for larger vehicles. Number 4. AV Steel Garage Jack. The AV Steel Garage Jack is a heavy-duty floor jack built to handle demanding automotive lifting tasks with confidence, offering a 3-ton capacity capable of supporting up to 6,600 pounds. It is suitable for a wide variety of vehicles, from low-riding cars to larger SUVs. Its low-profile design features a minimum lifting height of just 3 1/8 inches, allowing easy access beneath vehicles with limited ground clearance. The lifting range extends to 19 7/8 inches, providing excellent versatility for maintenance and repair work. dual-pump pistons help deliver rapid lifting performance, reducing the effort needed to raise a vehicle to working height. Safety is enhanced through built-in overload protection, which helps prevent accidental overloading and potential equipment damage. A 360-degree rotating saddle improves contact with lifting points while protecting vehicle surfaces. Constructed from strong steel, the jack is designed for durability and long-term reliability. The inclusion of wheels, including rotating rear casters, ensures smooth mobility and easy positioning. Meeting ANSI and ASME safety standards, this floor jack offers a dependable combination of strength, safety, and efficiency.
Number 5. Road DAWG ATZ830027HD Garage Jack. The Road DAWG ATZ830027HD Garage Jack is a professional-grade floor jack designed to accommodate a wide range of vehicles, from low-profile sports cars to larger SUVs and off-road trucks. Its impressive lifting range of 3.86 inches to 30.12 inches provides exceptional versatility, making it suitable for vehicles with both low and high chassis heights. With a 3-ton lifting capacity, the jack can safely support up to 6,600 pounds, covering the needs of most automotive users. A reinforced structural folding arm enhances strength while offering additional lifting flexibility. The dual-piston hydraulic system allows for faster lifting action, helping users reach working height with less effort and fewer pump strokes. Thick frame side plates contribute to overall stability and durability, ensuring reliable performance under demanding conditions. Safety is further improved through adjustable safety pins, an overload protection system, and a protective foam bumper that helps prevent accidental vehicle damage. Smooth rolling 360-degree rear casters make maneuvering the jack simple and efficient. Overall, this model delivers excellent lifting range, durability, and safety features for serious automotive maintenance and repair work.